Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add tags on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for edit profile. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the edit profile interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the option for my tags. Over here you'll be able to add the keywords in order to get found easier. So simply tap on the field of my tags. Now after doing that, you'll be led to the tags interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see the available tags. Due to some reason, this interface is not loading for me, but if it loads for you, you'll be able to see all the available tags over here. They'll be characterized according to my kink, my hobbies, etc. Simply tap on the tags that you would like to use. If you do not find that over here, you can also search for the tag, search for the appropriate tag and simply use that tag. After that, those particular tags that you selected will be added to your profile. So like this, you'll be able to add the tags. So that is how you add tags on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.